Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, the 17th of October, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for tonight, we've got a mixed number review for math. This is found in Google Classroom. It is through the website Problem Addict. You need to make sure you're reading the directions. In order to receive credit, you need to have work on a separate sheet of paper. You need to have 10 different boxes all labeled and squared off. And make sure that you turn those in tomorrow. In science, we need to bring earbuds. We also have an optional review, as we've got a matter test next Tuesday. All right, and your topic selection for honor science, that is due by the 23rd. In social studies, we are practicing latitude and longitude. That is on your Chromebook. Make sure that you are using your social studies atlas for that. In language arts, we've got to finish our essay draft, but do not submit. Once again, finish your essay draft, but do not submit. In literature, AR points are due on Monday. Our article of the week is also due tomorrow. Couple points, so a couple reminders. Number one, the United Way fundraiser that is going on this week. Please bring money to your Warrior Time teacher. The class in the school with the highest average per student, Warrior Time that is, will end up winning a Chipotle or a pizza party, and all the proceeds go to a great cause. Secondly, just a reminder, tomorrow there is a 1-hour delay, so we'll be dismissing from school at 1:52 p.m. Please make sure that if you are getting picked up by a parent, that they're well aware of that. And last but not least, please make sure that you are watching tomorrow night's video, all right, because I will be going through and discussing something called Red Ribbon Week that is being sponsored through Audios and pertains to a different set of activities that will be taking place during the course of next week. And it's very, very important. That's it for today. Make it a good one.